I'm sending him a video.
Skype?
Nope, video.
Hi, Zach. I wish you were here. You should be because this is the perfect celebration for you. This is a tribute to the heroes, so we're happy to giving a tribute
we're all
to
talking to Zach now.
because he is the hero of the day today for our family. Anyway, thanks, Zach. Love ya.
Okay. All right, Zach, your turn.
Hey Zach, having fun here. I don't know about you.
You're a jerkosaur.
It's not Skype. It's not me.
Show him Janie.
I'm just gonna keep
I just keep pointing at me.
just awkwardly looking at you.
Hi.
Okay, love you, bye.
Show him Janie.
Love you, bye.
Here's Janie. She's about to start her ear on fire.
Yeah. You can't blame her.
And here's DJ. Say hi, DJ.
Lemonade and vodka.
He's like, no. Okay, Stacy.
Not right now. Get away.
No, it's right now. You have to talk to Zach.
Hi, babe. Thanks for having fun. And start posting pictures on Facebook already.
I don't know why he doesn't do that.
Yeah, 'cause
Why
we
don't
see
you do
lots
that?
of Japan pictures.
Yeah, your friends post pictures.
Molly, you're losing your Band-Aid.
I know.
What'd you
You
do?
should show Zach
I
your
was
Band-Aid.
I was stung by a wasp earlier, and no one took me seriously when I went into anaphylactic shock.
Anyway, love you,
So
bye.
Zach,
I did.
your video.
There's my foot. It hurts a lot. Here, now you can talk to Zach.
Hi Zach. Wish you were here.
You remember Jamie? That's Jamie. She's DJ's mom. And there's Jim. You remember he is a pain in the ass.
I'm the nice guy.
And here's Kate. Hi. Hello. Yes, they're the new neighbors, Zach. And there's her husband, fucking Ray. And there's Pat. Okay. I wish you were here. Love you so much. Bye.